Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the 2019 Brilliant Uncirculated British Culture Set. This is celebrating 50 years of the 50p coin. If you were to have bought this, this is how it's presented. And I'm going to do my usual thing in a second, whereas I'll open my version so that if you have this and don't want to open yours but want to see how everything's laid out and all the information you get, you can just see it right here. So with the outer packaging off, this is how it looks. And I'll just slot this out over there. Just show off that part so that you can pause that and read it at your own pace. Now we'll get into this. That's the front. And back to the back. So let's open this up. Before we get onto the coins, we'll just show off these parts. And again, pause it if I'm moving too quickly and just read that at your own pace. Very happy that this came out as Brilliant Uncirculated because I was one of the unfortunate ones that didn't manage to pick this up in either proof or silver proof. So when they announced that this was coming out as Brilliant Uncirculated, I was chuffed to bits. We'll move on to the first bit of information on our first coin, which is the Girl Guides. There we go. Now we'll check out the coin and its specifications. Absolutely love finish on these coins. Even though they're only Brilliant Uncirculated, they're obviously not going to look as great as the proof, but still it's absolutely better than nothing. Now the Kew Gardens coin, which is the one that everybody really wanted to get their hands on, which is another great reason why it's fantastic that they've brought it out as Brilliant Uncirculated so that everybody gets a chance to get one, albeit a 2019 dated coin and not the original 2009. But it's pretty cool that people are going to have this one finally in their collection, even if it is just the reverse of the coin that looks the same. This is the Scouts 50p coin. And now we move on to the Roger Bannister. There we go. And then the final coin that we're going to have a look at is the 2019 Britannia. I actually happen to have this one dated 2019 already because I struck my own on the Royal Mint tour. But still, it's absolutely amazing that I finally have this five coin set in this presentation, which looks amazing and reminds me of the annual coin sets, how this is laid out. Brilliant. Let's just check out the back so you can see the 2019 dated coins. And yeah, like I said, I couldn't be happier. Great display. So let me know in the comment section below. Did you buy this in Brilliant Uncirculated, or were you one of the lucky people that got the silver proof or the proof version when they first came out? Let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching!